guys, it's your boy Fallen. Now I have not said that intro in a very long time, and welcome to the new Sputnik Entertainment channel, where we're going to be putting out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you click that subscribe button and that notification bell, you'll be the first ones to know when the new video drops. But today's topic of the video is why I consider to be a Mercari a horrible selling platforms, and I have 5 reasons for that. Now, to give you background, I've been selling online for about 5 years, mostly on Amazon and eBay. I've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of product over the years, mostly focusing on toys, electronics, video games, accessories categories, although I've dabbled in some others, but that has always been my focus. A lot of camera equipment as well. But for people who are not familiar with what Mercari is a very heavily driven peer-to-peer selling system, similar to eBay, even though on eBay there's a lot of brands that go and try to sell their products as well. But Mercari focuses on individual to individual selling. Now, Mercari has been out for a number of years now, mostly in Japan. They're considered to be like the Amazon of Japan. And they recently decided to dabble into the US market by launching their platform here. Not to compete with platforms that like eBay and Amazon that has been around for a very, very long time and very established here. They're very app driven. So that comes down to the first issue I have with the platform, is that their user experience and their user interface is very poorly designed, because it's meant to be done on a mobile device. So they have a very popular application on Android and iOS app stores, and I'll give them credit. That application is very well coded. But once again, if you want to go on the website, it's clunky, it's broken, a lot of things don't work a lot of times. And I think their experience is mobile first, desktop is second, compared to Amazon and eBay, which, if you want to truly dive into a lot of niches and search results and modifications, are very desktop driven. So that's the first flaw, is that if you want to capture desktop customers, is that you might not be getting as many people from desktop going on Mercari, and especially with it not as well known on the desktop environment. So that's my first issue with the platform, is the bugs associated with it. The second problem is that you do not have the amount of custom descriptions and modifications you can put into your listings, and also a cap of how much you can put in. On places like eBay, you can embed custom coding, custom interfaces, custom graphics, have huge descriptions with photos in the item bio, and you cannot do that on Mercari. You can do pretty much text-based descriptions when it comes down to items. You can categorize it. It's very simplistic. But once again, it's meant to be done on mobile. You buy on a mobile, you sell on mobile, you take a picture of whatever you're selling using your phone most of the time, and you post it, and hopefully it will sell. So if you want to do custom coding and custom embedding, etc., to make your listings more pretty, that is not the platform for it. And some people see it as a pro, some people see it as a con. As a person who sold a lot on eBay over the years, I've never truly dived into the custom coding aspect of listings, but I've seen plenty of people do that, and plenty of companies do that, and it does create something special. It separates your listing from your competition's listing. So if you like to make your listings personalized and with your own touch and flair, Mercari is not a platform for that. The third thing we have is that they have a cap of how much you can sell the maximum price for, which is $2,000. Now, $2,000 is a lot per item, but on places like Amazon and eBay, where some listings go for hundreds of thousands of dollars, even in some times. If you're selling a car, if you're selling a trailer, if you're selling even a mobile home that I've seen people do on eBay, or if you're selling super rare things, or an expensive watch, or an expensive piece of jewelry that is above $2,000, you literally cannot do that on Mercari. It caps it at $2,000. Now, it might have something to do with regulation and policies and kind of a lot of behind the scenes that have to do with protecting that, making sure that that money is not being used for nefarious purposes. But if you are trying to sell a large piece or something really expensive, Mercari is not a platform for that. Another problem with Mercari is that they do not allow you to sell certain categories. Let's say if you sell nutritional supplements, like you can on eBay and Amazon, but you need to have certain permits a lot of times, that you're storing them properly, that you have proper paperwork, that you're getting them from correct manufacturing sources. You can sell those things on eBay and Amazon because they're just trying to protect that. The customers are not going to get something spoiled or expired or something that is fake. On Mercari, you cannot sell that. You cannot even sell like baking goods on there. So it caps it of what you can sell on Mercari. That is also can be seen as a con of why you might want to sell on there. So if you try to sell certain categories that might not fit the niche of Mercari or might not be getting the traffic associated with it, you might not be successful on the platform. Now, the last thing that bugs me about Mercari is the way that they treat their sellers. Now, I know we're currently in the pandemic, so their customer support is very limited, and I give them credit for that, of actually reaching out and saying, hey guys, our customer support hours are limited, our staff is limited, please bear with us. But there's also certain issues that they can take responsibility for and actually help customers right now. One of them being is that if a package is lost or stolen in transit, they put that blame on the seller, that they take away that money from the seller. Now, sadly, that has recently happened to me several times. A package is delayed, a package is lost in process due to an extreme amount of packages being sent during the pandemic. And of course, some customers get angsty and they want to file a claim with Mercari to cancel their order. And then Mercari just takes the side of the customers and say, hey, we see that the package is lost in transit. Please contact USPS and file a claim with them. Now, for people who are brand new sellers and do not purchase additional insurance on their packages, or they do not have business insurance that will protect them in situations like this, they might lose hundreds, if not thousands of dollars down the road because Mercari does not protect its sellers. Their number one focus is making sure that the customers get the money back. Now, in platforms like eBay and Amazon, a lot of times eBay and Amazon will reimburse the customer and the seller will still keep the funds. Or sometimes they would even side with the seller because they have a lot larger portfolios, they have a lot of larger cash balances, that they can in a way make everybody happy. The sellers are happy because they get to keep their profits, and then the buyers are happy because if something does happen to the package, they get their money back. But Mercari, because they do not have as strong as a financial backing and support as Amazon and eBay, they do not do that. I have about 5 or 6 packages right now that I'm dealing with claims with USPS to try to get the money back. Now, if you dealt with USPS and how tedious and long sometimes it takes to get your money back on a claim, you will understand. It is not a fun process. I do not recommend or wish anybody to go through this. That process can take sometimes weeks, if not months, especially with what's going on in the world. And imagine if you send something for $500, it gets lost, and if you did not buy additional insurance on the product, you'll only cover $50 worth of that. So it's a lose-lose for you. You lose the money that you made from the sale, and then if something and you do not get your item back to your house, your apartment, your warehouse, whatever, you only get $50 on that purchase. And those are the 5 reasons why I think Mercari is a bad selling platform. Now, trust me, there's lots of good things about selling in Mercari, which will be coming out in the Wednesday video, which I'm excited to share with you guys. Now, Let me know in the comments, do you agree, do you disagree, if you think Mercari is a good or a bad selling platform. Share your opinions of what, if you did sell on Mercari, what did you like, what you didn't like about it, or if you had some similar experiences and problems that I've shared when I experienced over my last few months selling on there. Do share. It's all about sharing, because I do want to create a conversation with you guys about everything that is good, everything that is bad, and everything in the middle. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate you guys slamming that thumbs up button. If you didn't like the video, leave a comment why you didn't like it. I know I'm getting back into the video flow mode, and I'm still, like I said, if you've seen my daily vlogs, it's still a little bit awkward. I've been out of space for a little bit of time, but I'm excited to bring new content to you guys. New reviews, previews, interviews, travel things. Everything is going to be coming in the next few months. I'm very excited. Once again, if you are subscribed to the old Sputnik Entertainment channel, there's going to be lots of archived content coming that way. I will also leave a link to my vlogging channel where I've been sharing my daily vlogs through my adventures going in my life currently. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys